Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Oliver Peoples model, Cary-Grant OV5413SU in color code 1679P1. It's a Tortoise Havana color frame. On the temples here, we have an Oliver Peoples emblem. And at the tip of the temple over here, this is inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple. And it has a Cary-Grant silver writing. The lenses are a polarized green G15 lens. The style of the frame is square. And this frame is erexable. Up here we have a gift box, case to put your glasses in, and it's suede. Microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, a manufacturer booklet, and a dust bag.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.